Hi, how are you? Today we're going to paint a nice scenery, which is the snowfall times and the lots of snow around the fields and the natural scenery. Let's start the painting, and I hope you're going to like it. So first, I'm going to draw the hearts, so which is of red color. Let's put some color here. Okay. As you know, the roof are the pitched roof, so that's why the inclinations is going to be some angular. Mhm. Okay, the door here you can see going to be a really nice door. All right, and another house you can see on the other side. Okay, so as you know, when you do the painting, you have to be patient and do your painting as good as possible, because all the details, if you would like to complete, then the drawing is going to be really nice and wonderful. Okay, so there's the brick built layers of the house. Mhm. All right, now we're going to take the white color to paint the roof of the house to show the snowfalls and some other purposes. So it's a pure solid white color. Mhm. Color is going along the roof line. So you can see the solid white color. Okay, also making the white the other side roof too. Mhm. So you can see the coloring for the roof will be like this. We're working on it later. Now I'm putting some colors, like providing some hatches like this. Okay, in this point we're going to work on some the Christmas tree, and some trees are going to be longer and some trees are going to be shorter. So let's put some, the textures of the longer taller trees. So it's going to be like narrow on the top and going to be bigger in the bottom, doing the details very nicely. For the smaller one also we are putting the details. So it's little inclined like this. Now I'm putting the textures. Also little bit texture on this side too. Okay, and some taller trees are coming up from the house, but as you know, during the winter times all the leaves are fallen, so only the branches are visible, and no leaves here for the tree. Awesome. So usually, the tree lines is going to be like this, and also some trees like the pine tree you can see in the bottom. Just do some cross hatches like this, and coming to the bottom, it defines the trees. Also, we're using the smaller brush to do the color nicely. Awesome. There's the line for the tree formations. You can see the lines here. Okay. Also some other trees you can see. So it's actually the natural scenery, so lots of other details is going to be present here. And as you know, I'm putting the staircase from the top and coming to the down. These are the mountain platforms. You can see the presence of few stones here. Mhm. Another stone. For the staircases, just putting the longer lines. Now doing the details for the houses. Doors are going to be here, separating the area of the roof lines. Awesome. Some details is bottom of the house. Okay.